Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Volvo XC40 bonnet full guide. Release the interior hood lever under the driver's side dashboard and listen for the hood to pop open up slightly. Then proceed to the exterior latch to fully open the bonnet. Make sure the car is parked and the engine is cool before touching any components. Work slowly and keep fingers clear of hinges and the latch for safety. Approach the front of the car with a confident posture and locate the secondary safety catch beneath the hood lip centered by the grille. Use one hand to push or lift the catch while your other hand raises the hood smoothly until it clears the latch. Never force the hood. If it resists, lower it and recheck the catch position. Keep clear of the hood path and use steady, even pressure. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more practical car tips and guides. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, makes a lighthearted companion to learning useful car skills and frugal ownership. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the hood open, identify whether a prop rod or gas strut support the bonnet and act accordingly to secure it for safe access. If a prop rod is present, place it in the reinforced slot on the underside of the bonnet and verify stability. If gas struts hold the bonnet, gently test the lift to confirm proper support. Never work under an unstable hood and always close the bonnet slowly after finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.